Hi everyone, and welcome to the Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay. Do you have a whole bunch of tomatoes hanging around your kitchen or maybe still in your garden? Well, I have got a great summer tomato salad recipe for you, and it starts here at the farmer's market. So come on with me. Okay, for the most important ingredient, obviously you need tomatoes. And we came towards the end of the farmer's market because you can get a whole big bag of tomatoes for $5. So that's what I'm gonna do. One of the ingredients you're gonna need for the salad is green onions. These look awesome. Another really important ingredient for this tomato salad is basil. And we found some awesome looking, look at this bunch of basil for $2. This is gonna be amazing, not just for our salad, but some other things. There you go. Yeah. Thank you. So I've got all my ingredients from the farmer's market to make our awesome summer tomato salad. So I'm gonna head home and put it all together for you. Start by washing 6 large tomatoes. Then cut them into 1/4 inch slices and place in a large container with a tight lid. Add 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. Add 1/4 cup chopped green onions, which is about 1 large green onion. Add 1/2 cup chopped basil. This is a small handful of maybe 12 or so leaves. Add 6 cloves chopped garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan or Celtic sea salt. This is my special salt. I will include the recipe in the description box below. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon dill wheat. Add 1 teaspoon fresh or dried parsley. And finally, add 2/3 cup extra virgin organic olive oil. Mix really well. You could mix all the herbs together in a bowl and then add it to the tomatoes. Your choice. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh yeah, it is. Then refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours so the flavors can blend well. We are back a couple hours after the tomatoes have had a chance to marinate in the refrigerator.
This is my favorite part, where we get to eat it.
All right, taste test time.
Yes.
Grab your bowl.
All right.
All right, let's see how that basil and that yummy goodness garlic tastes. I'm trying to grab a piece of garlic here. What do you think?
Oh, it's horrible. I got to eat more to see if it's any better. Not sure yet. This is such an easy recipe. Gosh, it's great. The first time we had this, I'm like, oh yeah. Where did this come from? I want this recipe.
Oh, it's so simple. Just the garlic has that smooth taste. The basil just has that really nice taste. It's so fragrant.
Especially in July. This is when there's so many tomatoes out right now here, especially in California, the Central Valley, that they're just amazing. They taste so good. This is my favorite way to eat tomatoes.
Yep. And growing up, the salad dressing that our Italian family always ate was red wine vinegar salad dressing. So this is kind of a blast from the past. It is just so yummy, light, great for a hot summer day. So I hope you try this super simple summer tomato salad for yourself.
Yes.
Try saying that 3 times fast.
So
if you eat this 3 times fast.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's very important.
Yes. So there you go. That's another week of the Wellness Connection. We'll hope to see you next week. And
let's eat some more.
Okay. So I'll see you next week.
All right. Bye,
Bye-bye.
everybody.
This is great. We got to do more kind of videos where all we do is we just make food, so we just can eat all the time.
Perfect.